Okay, so my friend Clayton just asked me to talk a little bit about climate change. So I think climate change is similar or the same as global warming. It's like some places are getting hotter and hotter, and places and the extreme weather also appears more in recent years, like the hurricanes in America and also the ice and in the south and north poles are melting much quicker this years. So personally, I think climate change would actually result in many different issues. It's like so. I think if if the Earth continues to get hotter, uh, the places near the equatorial is gonna be no longer be suitable for agriculture. So the actual food that we produce every year is gonna be we're gonna face a deduction on that, and also um, places and cities near the ocean is gonna get flooded like Tokyo and New York. So that is what I think climate change would actually mean to a human being.
Climate change is the general variation of weather conditions globally in a certain time period. So often it's like a long time period, for example, decades or even centuries. So looking into the history, the history of climate change is also quite rapid. For example, the Ice Age. During the Ice Age, the global temperature decreased to a certain point, which is not suitable for living creatures to live on Earth. So, which means in that period of Ice Age, a lot of species experienced extinction or even huge reduction number of their residents. And now the climate change we're referring nowadays in our city life, it's more likely opposite. So the current problem here is like global warming, which means the temperature of the environment is keep increasing in these years. And I think the causes of those increasing temperature is directly linked to human because our human activities is the main reason which caused the temperature rise to some extent. For example, our like life experiences which give out carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which directly cause the global warming problem.